This is my version of the pickled mangoes. I will be using the Carabao type of mangoes, and this is about 3 kilos. Cut into strips, and this is Muscovado sugar. This is 3 cups, 1 cup per kilo. Enough salt to cover your mangoes. Three teaspoons of whole black pepper. And this is the Filipino siling labuyo. For the salt, we will just use whatever is needed to cover our strips. The salt will bring out the juice from our mangoes. I'll add the salt gradually, trying to coat every strip of mango. Just to show you, I did not use all of my salt. I will now be adding our Muscovado. If you are wondering why I'm using Muscovado, it's because Muscovado has higher molasses, making the flavors bagoong-like. So this pickled mangoes tastes like your street food mango with bagoong on top. So if you are craving for the sweetened type of pickled mangoes, I will be doing another vlog on it this week. So I will just mix everything until we draw out the juice. I will now be adding our siling labuyo. I just used one. The others are for decorations. So the level of spiciness depends on your liking. I will now add our whole black peppers. Again, we mix. By now, you can see the juice already coming out of our mangoes. So we'll just let this stand for 30 minutes. That's enough time to prepare your bottles. So these are my bottles. I just cleaned them and poured boiling water to sterilize them. Unfortunately, since we do not use preservatives, this can only stay for about 2 weeks refrigerated. But for us, this much will be consumed in just 2 days. So now it's time to bottle. I'll just portion this into 2 bottles. Equally distribute the juice. So now I will be adding our siling labuyo. My personal preference, this is more for aesthetics. Since I'll be feeding my parents, they do not want it spicy. I'll just cover the top with a cling wrap. So I'll just cover this. Keep the bottles refrigerated. Within 12 hours, the mangoes will be fully submerged. Consume after 12 hours for better flavor. And that is if you can stop yourself from eating it already. So this is my Bottled Goodness series number 1. More to come soon. Stay home, stay safe, enjoy cooking. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.